Hello students. Now our chapter is over and I will take up the exercise. Not all question, some question I take half or the third question. The remaining question will be done by you. Complete the worksheet and submit it. That's why I should know. मतलब कैसे मुझे पता चलेगा कि आपको आ रहा है. Complete the. I am solving half, more than half question. Then complete the complete exercise, remaining question and submit the question. Number 1. Convert the following number to the decimal number. I am taking the question number B. 111,010. Okay. Convert the decimal number. Summation of base digit multiplied by base to the power position 0 to n minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then summation 1 cross 2 cross 5 plus 1 cross 2 cross 4 plus 1 cross 2 cross 3 plus 0 cross 2 cross 2 plus 1 cross 2 cross 1 plus 0 cross 2 cross 0. 1 cross 2 to the power 5 plus 1 cross 2 to the power 4 plus 1 cross 2 to the power 3 plus 0 cross 2 to the power 2 plus 1 cross 2 to the power 1 and 0 cross 2 to the power 0. Now calculate. 2 to the power 5 is the 32. 2 cross 3 is the 8, 16 and 32. Plus 2 to the power 4 is the 16 plus 2 to the power 3, that is 8, plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. Now sum up. 32 plus 8, 40. 40 plus 16, 56 and this is 58. Okay. Now I am using that. I am telling you the type B. You can calculate type A by your own. This is a theoretical question. Using the notes you can do. Question number 2. I am taking the C1. 110 111 00. Convert it to the decimal. Same work. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More. Okay. 7. Now 1 into 2 to the power 7 plus 1 into 2 to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 to the power 5 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 0 cross 0 and 0 cross 0 is the 0. 0 into 2 to the power 1 and 0 into 2 to the power 0, that is the 0. Now 1 into 2 to the power 7, that is 64 plus 32 plus 0 plus something missing. That is not 64, it's a 128. 1 into 2 to the power 7, that is 128, plus 64 plus 0 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4 or plus 0 plus 0. Now sum up. It's a big one. 128 plus 64 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4, 10, 18, 18 plus 4, 22 plus 8, 30, 3, 5, 6, 11, 12, 1, 2. It's a 220. Binary to decimal, 220. Now question number 3. Convert the following decimal number to binary. I will take 23, a short one. Divide 23 decimal को binary में convert करना है. ये जाएगा आपका 11 times 1 remainder. ये जाएगा 5 times 1 remainder. ये जाएगा 2 times 1 remainder. 1 times 0 remainder. And 0 times 1 remainder, take division here, it is 10111. It is 10111 in binary, equivalent to 23. Now question number 4. Convert the decimal number, you can do this. Hexadecimal number to the binary. I am taking a big one. C. It's a 5. C. 7AB4. 7AB4 इस हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. तो कन्वर्ट ईच डिजिट इट्स 4-bit इक्विवेलेंट बाइनरी नंबर. 7 means 4-bit equivalent binary number में convert करना है. Not only the binary, it is 4-bit equivalent binary. मतलब अगर आपके नंबर में 4 बिट नहीं हो रहे हैं तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 0 से बढ़ा दीजिए. जैसे 7, it's a 111. 4-bit equivalent means 011. A means 10. 10 means 1010. B means 11. 11 means 1011. And 4 means 0100. Right? Sum up. It's a 0111, 1010, 1011, 0100 in binary. Right? Now question number 6. Convert the following hexadecimal number to the binary. Question number 6. Again, I am taking first one, BE. Same, convert is E digit to equivalent binary. B means 11. 1011. That is 11. And E means 14. 14 means 8 plus 4, 8 plus 4 plus 1. 14. It's a 40. Combine. So it is in hexa. Equivalent binary is 10111110 in hexa. Now the next, convert the following binary number to hexadecimal number. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, मैं बी ले रही हूँ. 1 2 3 4 4 1, 1 2 3 4 4 1, then 0, then 3 1, then 0 1 0 double 1 0 double 1. Convert it to the equivalent हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर. तो इस बाइनरी नंबर के 4 बिट के पेयर बनाइए. फर्स्ट पेयर राइट हैंड साइड से पेयर बनाएंगे और इधर अगर नंबर कम पड़ते हैं 4 बिट बनाने में तो एट द 0. पहली 4 बिट, अगली 4 बिट, अगली 4 बिट एंड अगली 4 बिट. हो गए, कोई कम नहीं पड़ा. इट इज 15, it is 7, it is 5 and it is 1 2 4 8, 8 plus 2 plus 1, it's 11. Now convert it to the hexadecimal number. 15 means F, 7 as it is, 5 as it is and 11 means the B. That is 4 bit, that is equivalent hexadecimal number. Now question number 9. Question number 8 is again convert the binary to the hexa. Same thing. Question number 9. Convert the following hexadecimal number to the decimal number. I am taking the first one. A6. It is in hexa. हमें डेसिमल में यानी बेस 10 में चाहिए. किसी भी नंबर को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करने का एक ही फॉर्मूला है जो हर बेस पर अप्लाई होता है. दैट इज समेशन ऑफ डिजिट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेस, डिजिट मल्टीप्लाइड बाय बेस की पावर पोजीशन. दैट इज फ्रॉम 0 to n-1. नाउ A6. Position 0, position 1. Now start. Digit value is the A multiplied by base is the 16 to the power 1 plus 6 multiplied by 16 to the power 0. Now what is A? A is the 10. So 10 into 16 plus 6 into 1. Any base to the power 0 is the 1. That is 160 plus 6 equal to 166. Now 10 is again convert the hexadecimal number to the decimal number. You can do this. डेसिमल को हेक्साडेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. यू हैव कन्वर्ट द डेसिमल नंबर टू द हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर 132. ओके, 132 डिवाइडेड बाय द 16. कितनी बार जाएगा? एक बार करके देखिए. 8 times 128 and 4. So 8 times जाएगा, 4 रिमाइंडर और फिर से 16 से डिवाइड करेंगे. 0 टाइम्स जाएगा, 8 रिमाइंडर फ्रॉम LSB to MSB. It's a 84 in hexa, right? 12. Again the same thing, convert the decimal number to the hexadecimal number. You can do this. Convert the question number 13. Convert the following hexadecimal number to the octal number. 38AC. It is in hexa. हमें octal चाहिए. Now, keep in mind, there is no direct conversion from hexa to octal. Either you have to convert this hexadecimal number to the decimal number, then convert it to the octal, or convert this hexa to the binary and then convert it to the octal. And then this is more convenient, convert the hexa to the binary, then convert it to the octal. Then convert, it is 4-bit equivalent binary. 3 means 1 1, that is put 2 0 here. 8 means 8 0 0. A means 10, yani 1 0 1 0. And C means it's 11. No, 12. 12 1 1 0 0. So 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 1 0 0. It's binary number of this hexadecimal number. Now convert it to the octal. Put 3-bit equivalent pair. First pair, second pair, third pair, fourth pair, fifth pair. No need of this one. This is 1 2 4. That is 4, 5, 2, 4 and 3. So 3 4 2 5 4. It's equivalent octal number of this hexa. Getting? Okay. Now hexadecimal to octal हो गया. Octal number to the binary. Question number 14. Convert the octal number to the binary. A 123. It is 123. Octal में है. इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. कन्वर्ट each digit to 3-bit equivalent binary. इसका 3-bit equivalent, इसका 3-bit equivalent, इसका 3-bit equivalent. 1 means 0 0 1, 3-bit equivalent binary. 2 means 0 1 0, 3-bit equivalent, and 3 means 0 1 1. Combined, it is, you can omit this 2 0, 1 0 1 0, 0 1 1, equivalent binary number. It's a 14. Now question number 15. Convert that octal number to the binary. Same. 16. Convert the Boolean number to the octal number. 16. 1 1 1 0 1 0. बाइनरी को ऑक्टल में कन्वर्ट करना है. 3 बिट के पेयर बनाए. ये 2 है, ये 7 है. 72 in the octal. Right? Now 17. Same. 18. Add. I will do one addition and then 18. 2 बाइनरी नंबर दिया है, आपको एडिशन बताना है. आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट वन. 1 0 1 1 0 1 1. इसको आपको जोड़ना है. 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. Put a 0 here, then add. Add 1 1. Summation is the 0 with 1 carry. 1 1. Summation is the 0 with 1 carry. 1 1 1. Summation is the 1 with 1 carry. 1 0 0. Summation is the 1 with no carry. 0 1 0 summation is the one with no carries. 1 1 summation is the 0 with 1 carry. 1 1 summation is the 0 with 1 carry, and 1 1 is the 0 1. So addition is this. You are adding first number, second number, and this is the addition. Okay, all the numbers are, all the questions are taken. Question number 19 is UTF-8, not in your course. Same 20 and same 21 is not in your course. So, this is the last question. Do the worksheet and submit the worksheet. Thank you.